Hi, how's it going? So today I thought I would just do a room tour. I've been feeling pretty good about my room. I think it looks pretty nice. Not to toot my own horn or anything, but a bitch knows how to decorate. I'm kidding. Um, if you can hear this weird like sound whenever I have my door closed, my AC, God, I really am from Texas. My AC makes this weird sound, so it's also really drafty. Like, I'm pretty sure it's blowing directly onto my mic. So, again, I apologize, but yeah, let's just get right into that room tour.
お前もどっかから逃げてきたのか。俺も一人ぼっちだよ。
So first off, we got my bed. Here is my Watanuki. If you know what anime that's from, put it in the comments down below. I also have this Ryokuma that my boyfriend got me, and I love it. It's super sweet. He's just too nice to me. I also have these two pillows from Urban Outfitters, and yeah, this quilt is actually from Urban Outfitters as well. One of the perks of working there, I guess, is that I got shit at a discount. So yeah. So this is my nightstand, and I have a little salt rock lamp, a flower book that my dad got me from an antique shop, a book I'm currently reading, Fellowship of the Ring. I have my PS Vita over there, and this fake plant, as well as a cute little picture of my cat and a snow globe picture frame that I got from Urban Outfitters that says Bay in it. It's really cute, love it. I have this coffee mug that has lens wipes and lighters in it. Inside my nightstand in the bottom part I keep all my candles, and in the top it's just kind of like my own junk drawer, I guess. Up on the wall behind my nightstand I have a bouquet from my sister's wedding. I was a maid of honor. I just hairsprayed it and hung it upside down, as well as a flower crown from her bachelorette party. We all had matching flower crowns. And this picture and little Japanese exercise, how I met my boyfriend. Yeah, it's really cute. This is actually how he got my phone number, because on question 5 it says Oden wa bango wa, which is what's your phone number in Japanese. So I got his phone number and he got mine, and yeah, he just hit me up from that, and the rest is history. So hanging on the wall next to my bed I have these colorful string lights and a little drawing I did when I was, okay, I only ever draw in paint whenever I'm like stoned. I hate to admit it, but that's the truth, and it come out looking wacky, but like I kind of love it. On this side we got my bookcase, and I just hung up a bunch of Polaroids. That C is a light up C that my sister got me for Christmas, as well as my Fuji instant film camera. There's pictures that my boyfriend framed of us when we went to Disney World. I also have a lantern up there that I got from IKEA. It has fairy lights in it, but the batteries like just died and I don't have any more, unfortunately, but yeah, I like it a lot. I don't have all my books at the moment, unfortunately. They're in storage, I believe. But yeah, I kind of have it organized to where the top shelf is series and the bottom shelf are just standalone books. And a couple more fake plants from IKEA. Next to my bookcase I have more pictures, and I currently have a beret up there in my purse that I'm using at the moment. It's this really cute bunny purse. But yeah, I really love the hook. It's like a little monkey thing that I got at Hobby Lobby, I think. It spooked my old roommate, so I've been keeping it in my room ever since, because he didn't want it out in the common area. So over on this side of my room we got a lot going on. I took a bunch of flowers from like Michael's or something, and I just taped them to my wall, as well as some pictures that are not centered at all and they're very crooked, that I just printed off from Tumblr at Target. You can print off pictures there for like $3. It's super cool. I took those decomposition books that have the really cute outside, and I just ripped off the covers when I was done with it, and I filled it up, and I taped it with the inside facing out because I really like the designs on the inside. I have a Nike shoebox thing from when my boyfriend got Air Maxes, and underneath it is another painting I did when I was baked. It says Atsui Cocoa. It's supposed to be hot cocoa. Next to it is my CDG Converse box that I kept because, I don't know, I like it. So on my desk I have this dry erase calendar thing that I haven't used in a long time, but I want to start using it. I have a Friday the 13th Jason Voorhees little action figure thing, some scented erasers, some just office supplies. I got some Halloween pencils. My laptop sits on here. I got this placemat from Target because I didn't want my laptop to like mess up the wood on this desk. This desk actually is fucking old. It's like, Jesus, I don't even know how old it is. It's a really old sewing table that my grandpa took, and he made a new tabletop for it, and I've just been using it as a desk. It's super sweet. I love it. I have a little milk bottle with flowers in it and a fan from the previous South by Southwest here in Austin. I got my little Charlotte plushie on there. Baby. Comment down below if you know what anime that's from. Yeah, she sits there and watches me sleep. It's nice. So over here at my window, I just hung up these flowers over the blinds, and I put string lights around my window and then hung them up over on the side, and I put some extra Michael's flowers that I had. I tied them up with some yarn. On my windowsill I have a wax burner that my sister got me for my birthday. I have a little cup that has my earrings and rings in it. This really cute little owl that my boyfriend got me while he was in Arizona. This cow that my dad gave me that he found in storage that is apparently like 50 years old or something, and he knows how much I like cows, so he gave it to me. I do have my cat's litter box down here. I share a bathroom with someone else, so I'd feel rude if I had her litter box just in there, so yeah, she just shits right next to me while I sleep. It's pretty cool. And I got this rug from IKEA so she wasn't getting litter all over the carpet, and it's been working pretty well, so yeah. Next to my bed on this side I have that Coke bottle that has flowers in it, as well as those hanging plants. I got the yarn hanging thingies, whatever you call them, from Amazon, and then the plants are of course from IKEA. I also got this drawing that my best friend Rocky did of me. She was kind enough to draw me. I don't know why she picked me to draw, but I was super flattered, and then her mom went ahead and framed it for me, which I thought was so sweet, so of course I had to put it up on my wall, and yeah. This blanket my parents got from Disney World. We're a big Disney family, and yeah, they've had it for years, and I just fucking stole that shit. I was like, I'm gonna make it into a tapestry. So yeah, I hung it up on my wall. I don't know if it's really centered with my bed, but honestly I don't care. It was a pain in the ass to put up, so yeah, but it looks nice. This is my closet. It doesn't look the best. The only thing I like about it is that the way I organize things is from light to dark, so I kind of do like a Roy G. Biv thing with my clothes to make them look nicer, and I feel like it's a lot less harsh on the eyes when you have them kind of not color coded but organized in that way. I personally think it looks nicer, even if it is a bit of a jumbled mess. So yeah, that was my room tour. If you liked this video, be sure to leave a like or a comment or subscribe, something, you know, it's whatever. And be sure to follow my Instagram. It's at maplehoney. I also have a Snapchat that's at Carsonian. You can follow me on Twitter. It's the same username as my Instagram, maplehoney. I'm trying to be more active on Twitter, but yeah. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I also hope I get to see you next time. Goodbye!